All right, here she is, a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I bought her from a government fleet auction. Unfortunately, they don't disclose much information about her history, such as what department she came from, but I'm gonna play investigator and try to find out. I'm gonna see what was left behind, what did it come with. I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment, and if you guys hit that like button, it will increase my chances of finding that biscuit. And I want to give a huge shout out to Jackery for sponsoring this video. Due to the lack of power available in my yard, I rely on the powerful solar generator Jackery Explorer 1500 to provide all my power needs to my devices, tools, and appliances. The powerful Jackery Explorer 1500 provides an impressive 1500 watt-hour capacity that can power up to 85% of all appliances. It has 3 AC pure sine wave outlets, a USB-C, quick charge USB, a 12-volt car port. It even has a flashlight. How cool is that? You could charge with a regular wall outlet, a 12-volt car port to charge on the go, and my favorite and fastest way to charge is with 4 Jackery 100-watt solar panels. I use it to power all my sanders, my grinders, saws, refrigerators, freezers. The list can go on and on. Jackery will hold a huge sale of up to $400 discount on all their products on their website during the Black Friday sale, November 26th to the 29th of 2021. You do not want to miss this. Links are in the description. Look at all these antennas. What the heck? Look, an LED Whelen spotlight. There's Whelen 500 side mirror lights on both sides, of course. The other side is a halogen bulb. It's got a Setina push bar. Okay, you see this device right here? You can connect a special jumper cable so you can jump a car without having to pop up your hood. Very useful. And if you look in there, there is a Whelen siren speaker. There are police issued Eagle RSA tires, all in very good condition. I just love the standard black and white color scheme. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. Oh, this car is full of goodies. Look at all these goodies. I'm gonna start from the front and work my way to the back. Check it out. This squad car comes with ballistic panels, which makes the doors really heavy. What's really interesting about this car is it has ballistic panels on the front and the back. That's actually pretty rare. So we have a all-around bulletproof car, double the protection. Sick. All right. Ooh, lights. Looks like Whelen ion light. Oh, nice. There's 2 of them, and I know exactly where these go. Right here, one right there, one right here. Oh yeah. Start putting the goodies right over here. Oh, check it out. It has secure idle. Okay, let's push the seat back. What's this? Whoa. Whoa. Wait a minute. This feels very plasticky. Yeah, I think this was for a airsoft or BB gun or something. This can't be real. It's too cheap. Unless that's how cheap they make guns nowadays. I doubt it. Let's see if there's any goodies down here. Looks like an old McDonald's French fry. Damn, this thing is stiff. Speed check, calibration. A Ford Civic? What? I never heard of a Ford Civic. All right, look at this center console. I love how long it is, and it has a little space for a docking station right here for a laptop. Looks like they have a Federal Signal Unitrol Delta Touchmaster. Nice. Oh, that was stiff. Oh, that. Okay, there it goes. Whoa, it looks like they haven't used it in a while. It's not connected. They probably clipped it somewhere. A Motorola XTL 5000 with the mic, and the Touchmaster also has the mic. Pretty cool. And looks like a Federal Signal Master. Cool. There's some type of Motorola screen right here. My guess is that it's to keep an eye on the prisoner in the back, but it could be for the dash camera, it could be for the backup camera, or both, who knows. Now I really like this idea right here. A map light attached to the pillar right there. Usually they're down here, but they're always getting in the way. This is a genius idea. I think I might do the same on the movie car. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. We have a Motorola speaker right here. All right, let's start this baby up. It's got 107,000 miles, 4,700 idle hours, which is normal. Let's pop the hood. All right. She sounds good. Clean, dirty, but clean. The siren speaker. I'm gonna be removing that. Wow, you could tell it's been sitting for a while. Look at all that water that came out of the pipes. Okay, got the center console pulled out. Mystery boxes coming real soon, guys. They'll be available just in time for Christmas, so stay tuned. Just a radio cable. What's in there? Biscuit in there somewhere? Little hidden air freshener. Oh, look at that, look at that. I found a hidden switch. Oh, maybe that's why none of the sirens was working. Oh man, I just wasted my time clipping all those wires. Oh, damn it. Wait, what's this? We got a visitor. This guy came over here to buy these Firehawks. Actually, this is a tire right here. Let me check out your whip real quick. Boom. All right, let's see what's on the other side. Oh, look at this, a duty belt setup thingy. Kind of reminds me of Security Boys setup. There's a taser holster, ASP handcuffs, a knife thingy, handcuff pouch, a gun holster of some sort. Nice. Federal Signal Viper S2. Beautiful white and red. So charger adapter. Dude, I feel like a rat's gonna jump at me any second now. It's a scope, yep, but it's plastic. Ooh. But hey, it works pretty good actually. This is a fuse box right here. Having a senior moment here. I forgot what these things are called. One of them was very stubborn. It won't come off. Let's take a quick look in the back. Dude, these window bars have kept murderers and rapists from escaping. Ooh. Let me pull this light thing out real quick. All right, let me give you a little tour of the back. Yeah, that's it. These are like light bar components. So this is a traffic light changer by 3M. It won't work without the brain or software, unfortunately. Okay, this is a nitrate oxide canister. Yo, check it out, a disposable camera. Who knows what's in here? But hey, you know what? If you're a real fan, I'm gonna send this to you so you can reveal it. In my last video, one of you guys suggested that I try the keys that I found in the glove box, and guess what? It worked. Type of, looks like a hookah pin of some sort. Ooh. Oh, for a quick second I thought I was gonna find a badge, but it's gone. These are actually for the Santa Cruz gun locks. Bro, found a biscuit. Holy. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Holy sh. So after further inspection, I could see that this is actually, it's blocked right here. See the tip with an opening right up here. So that tells me that this is some sort of blank gun. Maybe it was taken from a criminal or used for training or something. Let me get these out, but it looks like the shells are spent. Figure out exactly how to take these out. They've been in there for so long. They're stuck. Wonder why there's duct tape on this thing. So I had to use this thing to pop these out. All right, guys, got her loaded. Now it's time for me to put this thing to the test. Guys, did you see that? The flames are coming out the top.
Rick, I heard shots. Is that you?
Bro, I'm under attack. Oh, bro, you are brave, man. You're running towards the fire. It's cool. It's just me.
Oh,
Oh, just me.
give me a heart attack, dude. Damn.
Oh my gosh. Put that away real quick. Just put that away and pull to the side. I'm going to show you something. I'll pull up over here. What do you guys think of Security Boy's new whip? Looks pretty dope, huh? Yeah. Check this out. Straight up, it's a blank gun. So it shoots off blank. See, look, the is sealed off.
Oh yeah.
And it actually comes out right here. Test it out.
It's empty.
Keep
Oh, there we go.
It's never empty.
Yeah, now it's empty.